Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about the pros and cons of Honda CB350 RS. So this is the review which I have taken from the bike owner itself. So coming to the pros part, the first pro is the engine is very smooth and there is very little vibration at the speed of 110 as well. And this bike can easily cruise up to 110 easily. And at 120 you have the engine struggles a little bit and there is very little bit of vibration. Coming to the handling, the handling is very good even in the city and even in the peak traffic. So what we have done is we have put the risers for the handlebar. You can see us in the previous video. So this improves the posture and it gives a better handling as well. So coming to the mileage, the bike gives a mileage of 40 to 42 in highways at 90 km per hour. So coming to the average, it gives about 35 including cities and highway. So another pro of this bike is you have a slipper clutch which comes from the Honda itself. So it makes the ride very easy and very smooth. So overall the ride is very comfortable in this bike over long distance. Only thing is you have to do little modification considering your touring part. Coming to the cons of Honda CB350 RS, so the first one is the service and the parts are very expensive. So the first service costed around 1700 rupees and the second service costed us around 3000 rupees. So in that they take around 250 for chain cleaning and chain lubing during service. I feel this is little expensive side. And another one is the brake pad gets worn out after every 5000 kilometers when you do little bit of aggressive braking. Another major con of this is the position of horn and indicator. As you can see, it's bit weirdly placed. Another one is you don't have not many Honda official accessories, so you have to buy lot of aftermarket accessories itself, just like the extender, the tire hugger, everything. And the next major disadvantage is we have very few service centers in India, but according to the way Honda are going, we would see new ones opening very soon, but we have to wait for 1 to 2 years, I guess. And the next disadvantage is whatever you get the stock mirror, right, it is weirdly positioned and you cannot see whatever the vehicles which are incoming towards you. So we had to put an aftermarket itself. So that is one more disadvantage. And another drawback which I found in this vehicle is it has a tall gearing which actually takes a bit long time to get adjusted. So due to tall gearing, the mid-range torque is very good. But the thing is, whenever you have to overtake, always you have to downshift and you have to throttle it out. So that is one other drawback. So apart from that, headlights could have been even more better. So I think this is the problem with every bike in Indian market, apart from 1 or 2 bikes. So you need extra fog lamps for this vehicle. That's it for the video, guys. If you have any queries or any comments, please comment down below. Thank you. Please do subscribe.